Are you tired of trying to do the magic ring over and over and just can't seem to get it to work? Well, today I'm going to show you what some call the chain method or the alternate magic ring. So the very first thing you're going to do is make a slip knot. And then we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we're going to take our hook, place it into this very first stitch, and we're going to do a slip stitch. Place our hook right in there, yarn over, pull through, and then you're going to take that and pull it through the loop on your hook. You can take this little tail and kind of place it behind. And if you pull this, you're going to see in the middle, right here, there's a little hole. That's where we're going to be placing our stitches. But first, let's go ahead and do a chain 1. This would be considered our magic ring. And now is when you would follow your pattern. But for this tutorial, I am just going to place 10 double crochets into the center of this magic circle. And you want to crochet over this tail. Let's do a double crochet into that center and make sure our tail is over. You just kind of pull it over the hook back there. Do our yarn over, pull through. We're going to do our double crochet and do the next one. So you just kind of hold this tail along as you're crocheting. And then once you get the amount of stitches you need into that magic circle, we're going to slip stitch to the very first stitch. I'm going to pull my hook out now, and I'm going to show you what you're going to do with this tail. You take the tail that you are bringing along the outside, and now you're going to pull that. So keep an eye on this little middle part here. We're going to pull this tail, and as we pull it, the middle is going to close up. And then of course what you can do with that tail is you can weave it in. This is a much easier way to make a magic circle. If this video was helpful, please give me a like below and please consider subscribing. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.